Here's a quick recipe for scrambled eggs but made with a twist. I'll begin with onions and green chilies and a few red chilies put into a pan with 2 teaspoons of ghee, and you give it a nice mix in the pan and see that the onions get nice and browned. After that, you take how many ever eggs you want, 3 or 4 eggs, and whip them up with your fork in a bowl and put some salt in it. I'm going to add some cayenne pepper in it. You can even add some cumin powder or oregano if you want a different kind of a flavor. You can go crazy and add a few of these. One can even add a pinch of garam masala in this, but I've stuck to salt and cayenne pepper. So you give it a little whisk in the bowl and you add it to your pan while your onions and tomatoes and green chilies are all cooking. Now what the difference is, there is no milk, there's no cream in this. So you begin to cook the eggs and really cook them well, as in you'll see that the eggs get scrambled and it's nice to brown it. Here I'm just adding a few red chilies to the whole mixture, and keep browning the eggs and you'll see how amazing they turn out, and because there's no cream, nothing in it. So enjoy this Indian scrambled eggs and do subscribe to my channel. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Bye then.